before we begin, if you could please state your name and your role at Divergence.
Hey guys, my name is Clinton Esmaeili. I'm an admission coordinator here at Divergence Academy, and my role is to basically help students choose which course suits them best.
Now, before we go into our interview, I do have a icebreaker question for you, and that is, if you could pick up a new skill in an instant, what would it be?
A new skill. There's a lot of skills out there that I like to master. I usually discover new skills all the time, and I'm the type of person that's always tempted to go out there and learn it right away. But one skill for sure is going to be the ability to teleport. It's just anywhere in space and anywhere in time, anytime. It could be Earth, and it could be basically anywhere in the universe. And I like to do that simply by just thinking about the place or the person or the event, and then just make it happen basically by the snap of my fingers.
For our first question, could you please inform us, how do you support learners at Divergence Academy?
Well, I talk to a lot of students every day, and one way that I support those learners is by informing them about the programs that we offer here at Divergence Academy. I pretty much help them choose which course suits them best, and I make sure that I put them on the right path so that they can succeed once they finish the program.
What is one thing our learners should know about working with Divergence Academy?
One thing that our learners should know about working with Divergence Academy is that here at Divergence Academy, we are committed to you. We prepare you with the foundational skills that you need in order for you to succeed in today's industry. And honestly, all of that starts with your first contact, which is with me and with the admissions department.
And what kind of impact do you see Divergence Academy making within our community?
The kind of impact that I see Divergence make within our community is that, before I get into that, I'd like to mention that Divergence prides itself in its ability to understand the individual needs. And we do that through one-on-one hands-on trainings. We do that through after-class activities, after-class tutors, lunch and learns, and with plenty of events. And for you to not only learn, but actually being able to basically help you land the job or the career that you've always dreamed about having.
Finally, this is our last question. What is one interesting hobby, talent, skill, or interest you have that some people may not know about you?
Well, one thing, if you guys follow up with our social media, you might have read this before, but one hobby is that I like to buy project and scrap cars, and I like to fix them. It's just so fascinating to me that being able to basically look at the finished project and compare that with how you looked before. And it reminds me of all the time and the patience that I had to put in for all of this to come back to life. And at the same time, I think it's very relaxing and it's actually very therapeutic, if you ask me to.
Wow, that is honestly phenomenal. Are you currently working on a vehicle right now?
I am. I'm working on a Chrysler at the moment.
Oh, very nice, very nice. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for
Thank you so
interviewing
much.
with us today, and thank you for everything that you do here at Divergence Academy.
Thank you.